Welcome back to Custom Fabricating Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Rob. Today's video is long overdue. This is for the Makita 12-inch dual bevel saws. This is going to cover your corded version, your 2 voltage, your 36 volt, and your 40 volt. This video is necessary if you're really interested in buying this saw. You'll want to watch this video. If you have this saw, you'll want to watch this video. What we're going to talk about is some of the issues you might run into with the Makita saw and some of the concerns you have about knowing if you got the right fence, either from us, from an older video. We have an older video where we show mounting holes down at the bottom where they would be normally on the OEM fence. What we're requiring from you with our newer version is to drill some holes in the top, and we're going to talk about how you do that. But when you buy this set of zero clearance fences from us, they're designed to give you added height so you can actually cut taller supported, where the fences that come with it are not as tall. It also gives you the ability to have that safer cut, cleaner cut, being zero clearance. We also sell a notch version, and we'll go over that one here in a second. But when you go to drill these, you'll go ahead and square up your head on your saw. I recommend setting it at 90 on your miter or 0, and then you'll notice when we bring this down, you'll want to just touch there, and you'll see that the hole is slightly off to the outside rather than centered. That is correct, because these fences, when you move them to the left and or right, they need to go more out than they need to go in. So that's why they're showing the hole location is more towards the outside rather than inside. If you did drill it in the center, they still work because there's enough slot here to get the distance you need. But what you do is you just bump your blade, you circle out the slot. We recommend you drill a small hole first, and then you can slowly work that hole to the right size and actually guide it so you're not going up, down, left or right. And you can hold those positions more accurately. These are sold as a set. You get the left and the right. They do come with a hardware kit and stickers, and I'll take a look at our stock or notch version. This is the standard version. This is designed for just chopping, but this notch version here is for when you want to use the saw in the slide mode, and this would be required for full feature of the saw. If you're doing nested crown or baseboard, you'll want a standard version. Let's talk about the table insert. This is our zero clearance table insert. We recommend, if you do buy our zero clearance fence, whether it's the standard one or our notch one, is get one of these. Pick up one of these, because it makes it easier to line up to where the blade is, because you actually have that zero clearance curve plate put in. So this is our zero clearance table insert. This is our upgraded hardware kit shown on here. You can use the standard ones that are that come with the saw, but we just wanted to show you this is the stainless steel upgraded hardware kit. They are a little bit nicer than the OEM ones. They don't corrode, and they actually have a better thread pitch than the ones that come with the saw. They're not a very expensive screw. These are a little bit higher quality, so they will maintain the threads in your base. Maybe I would argue a little bit more friendly on the threads when you're putting them in and out. But when you buy our insert, you get one insert. If you buy a second one, there's a decreased cost. Each insert you buy 3, there's another decrease in the cost on each as you buy more. You do save on shipping. If you buy 1, the shipping is going to be basically the same as 2 or 3. So we recommend making your savings up by buying multiples of these, especially if you're going to be doing bevels. You really want to buy 3 of these, because you'll have a bevel left, bevel right, and a 90. Here's our optional upgraded stainless steel hardware kit for the zero clearance insert. All 3 of these products can be found on our website, Custom Fabricating Solutions. All the product will be linked in the description below. If you like this video, like, subscribe, or share. Don't forget, if you need the best, choose CFS. See you next time.